part, the second part, and then very shortly after the second part, there's another road that we come across. It's called Lawyer Road. Yes. That one's a fun dirt road as well. So that's kind of what we're doing. It's probably going to be a short little video, but yeah, come along. Last time we saw a turkey family.
Yeah, and we'll make sure and put the roads that we're on, so if you guys want to go on this adventure on your own, you know what road you'll be on.
Yeah, it's kind of overcast skies today, a lot of humidity, kind of warm, so we're just staying in the car where it's AC.
Let's get to it. Didn't realize I had a foggy lens on, you guys. Hopefully this looks better. We had to roll up Elliot's window really fast because he's taking off his shoes and we were afraid he was going to choke him out the window.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
He's trying to ditch a sock.
Dude, he was like...
Alright, back to the actual scheduled program here.
Right here is one of my favorite fishing spots, just down there. Actually caught a lot of fish there.
Don't go around telling everybody our favorite fishing spot, alright? But you guys can use it. You can use it. Elliot's ready. Coming up on the 662. This is technically called Township Road 114 or Three Corner Road. You're good. Lawyers Road,
108.
Township Road 108.
Yeah, they're right here. See 'em?
See these like ant holes? Hills, I mean.
Is there anything coming out of them?
No, they just look like piles of dirt.
Huh. So weird.
If anybody knows, let us know in the comment section. Are you being cute?
Just putting on a performance.
You singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Look at that sexy man.
Right, right.
Like a says okay. Okay. Maybe we'll get to see some cows. Well, survey says no cows.
They were here that last time we were here.
Yeah, they might be over yonder.
They're right there.
Oh, there they are.
Bedding down.
Cow. You see one right there?
There's a bunch of them right here by this tree.
Okay. There they are. Cows. Wanna be my friend? Fresh tar.
Alright.
And then we're gonna come out on the 541 and we're gonna head back towards West Lafayette and Coshocton. In case you guys oh, we're going the other way?
Which way are we going?
We're going left.
Anybody your way?
No, you're good, baby. Colin almost took us away from home. Alright, we're back on the 541. We're gonna head over to West Lafayette, Coshocton